Hey guys, we received this PILPOC theFube Fidget cube for test and try. So the first impression comes in a really nice carry box. So this box looks really nice and is good to carry anywhere. And this will not damage the thing. And there are the different things here. Six-sided Fidget toy with this rotation button and the other things. So this is very helpful, like passing your time, just play with it and you know just enjoy the stuff. So it's a fine tuning thing, or this just to relax yourself or have a good time or just spend some of the time. So it have the buttons, gears, click and spin, on and off switch, joystick, and little like the massager thing, just like that. So overall, it's a nice pair of the Fitget toys all in one, and then the good thing it comes with the carry case, so you can just do your stuff, play with it, and then um, yeah, store it for anything you want. So it's nice. So the quality wise looks a long lasting one as I can feel it, and then yeah, easy to carry and handy well as well.